Hey there guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. So in today's video, I am going to answer a viewer's question, and I'll put it down here once I edit the video, but I'll put it down here. And basically his question was, how can I make my first Builderall license sale? If you can give us some tips, that would really be great. So I'm going to give you some tips on how to make your very first sale in Builderall. So if you are thinking about joining Builderall and you haven't already, or even if you're already in Builderall, I'm going to give you a few tips on how to make your very first sale, and I'm going to share how I made my first sale. So if you want to know how to make your first Builderall sale from my perspective, then keep on watching. Alright guys and gals, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly, truly appreciate that. Well, here it is. It's December, and it's a little bit chilly, which is why I'm actually outside instead of behind my brick wall, because it is absolutely super duper hot here in South Florida the majority of the time. And today it's about, I don't know, 70 degrees, so I won't have to break a sweat when I'm doing my videos outside. But it's been 9 months since I aligned myself with this amazing digital platform called Builderall. I'm super excited. I feel super blessed. You know, it is truly one of those things where I've found something I'm good at and found something that I love. So I just love being a part of this company. So if you're anything like me and you just signed up with Builderall, you want to make your first sale as soon as possible. So what you need to know, first of all, is you need to know what your current situation is. You may see people that they're saying that, oh, I made, you know, 30 sales in my first 2 weeks, or people are making sales super duper fast, right? And I think that you have to understand what your current situation is, and it's going to boil down to knowing if you have a warm market at all that you can approach. Okay, so usually when people make sales in Builderall really fast, it's because they already have a warm market. So what is a warm market and what is a cold market? So if you already know people that know, like, and trust you, they're more likely to listen to you. Okay, this is called your warm market, or your circle of influence. These are people, like I said, they know you, they like you, they trust you. And if you invite them to take a look at Builderall or any business that you are aligned with, there might be a chance that they are open to looking. Now, of course, there are other factors that have to be in place, like, is it the right type of opportunity for them? Because maybe they're into health, or maybe they're into you know, some other type of product or program, and so Builderall may not be the right fit. But you have to start with people that already know you, which is your warm market. Now, cold market are people that absolutely don't know you. They don't know who you are. You have no influence. You have no, you know, pull with them at all. So you don't want to start with your cold market, and usually cold market requires you to spend money on ads, and you have to have a really good email follow-up in place. So it's not usually, and my dog is barking, and it's not usually the place that you are going to get the fastest results. So this is what I did when I first got started with Builderall. For 2.5 years, I was pretty dormant. I was just designing websites for people. I was out of the affiliate marketing, you know, arena for like 2.5 years. Okay, and so I didn't have an active list. I didn't have an engaged list. I really wasn't doing YouTube videos or any of that stuff when I first got it started with Builderall. I am not that girl that sent one email to her list and got 30 signups. I'm not that girl. I only had a very tiny, small, warm market, which is the people that knew me on Facebook. That's pretty much it. So what I did was, even though I was super duper nervous because I'm an introvert and I don't like to, you know, be salesy or anything like that on my Facebook profile, but I was like, well, I have to get out of my comfort zone because I've got to start signing people up, because I was in a situation where I needed to not only make the money back, but I needed to cover my monthly costs. You know what I'm saying? So that was my goal, which is 3 + 1. 3 people plus 1 extra will make your money back plus cover your monthly subscription. So I was like, okay, I know that I have to go to my warm market first because that is the fastest place to get results. So that's what you need to know. Who right now knows you, likes you, and trusts you, okay? So that's the first thing. The second thing is your approach. Your approach has got to be not from a sales standpoint. Hey, this is the best thing since sliced bread. You got to check it out. Or make money like by tomorrow and things like that. Like, I didn't want to come across as a pitchy, slimy salesperson because that's not me. I didn't want to do that. What I did was I shared a little story. Here is my struggle. I was struggling with this. I didn't want to continue to be in that monthly client to client grind. I was tired of not making passive income. I didn't want to do, high ticket. I didn't want people to go into debt to sign up for stuff, this, that, and the other. I laid down all my parameters of what I didn't want. Then once I discovered Builderall, once I discovered, and I didn't say Builderall either. I didn't say Builderall in my post. Don't say Builderall in your post because people are going to go Google it. So don't do that, or they're going to go YouTube it. That's what I did. Somebody mentioned Builderall in their on their wall, and I didn't know who the person was. I did not know to this day. If you ask me who was it that posted it, I have no clue who it was. All I know is that they said Builderall, and I went to Google, went to YouTube, and I started sponsor shopping, which is what a lot of people do. So what I did was I aroused curiosity through a Facebook post saying, this is where my struggle was and this is what I'm looking for. And I found this thing that may or may not be of interest to you, but I know that I'm going to, dig my heels in and I'm going to do this thing. And if you are even remotely interested, let me know and I will send you some information. Well, to my surprise, I had about, 15 people, something like that, from my Facebook friends respond to me. And I was like, oh my God, I didn't think I was going to get people to respond to me. It was incredible, And so then what I did was I created a little capture page with my video on it, sharing my story authentically and genuinely, and just like if I was talking to a friend, which I was because these were my Facebook friends. And I just shared the thing. As a matter of fact, I will link it right below and you can go ahead and model what I did. So I will link below the video that I sent to my friends so that I could start promoting Builderall. I will link it right below in the description box and you can take notes and model what I'm doing, okay? So yeah, so that was it. That is how I got my first licenses. I was like, I just shared my story. I came from a place of being genuine and authentic and coming from a place where I was struggling with something. So I was willing to admit that I was struggling with something and I was looking for something better. And Builderall happened to be it. But I aroused curiosity. I did not say what it was and I just had people contact me to see if they were interested. And what I did was the people that were interested, I actually, since they were my friends, I was like, if you want to get on the phone, I will talk to you about it. I will share with you a little bit about it. And I signed a few people up and then it just started to grow from there. And then what I did was after that, I just started really being super focused, super consistent with my YouTube videos, doing my keyword research and positioning my videos in front of people that I knew had a high likelihood of finding my videos. And I teach a lot of this stuff once you're on my team. So if you are on the fence about Builderall, you haven't joined yet, you're looking for a team to join, but you are looking to build your business in really not from a get rich quick standpoint, but you're actually looking to really learn the skill sets of video marketing and using the product and using the system and really, like doing what I do, right? If you want to build a business the way I have, which is creating content and then driving traffic to my funnels and let my funnels do all the work. If you want to learn how to do that so that you can build a business that also allows you to have a life, which is basically what I teach my team, then go ahead and click on the link right below this video if you want to activate a 7-day free trial. That will make me your sponsor. And then when you upgrade to a Builderall business plan, you will get access to all my training and all my bonuses and all my team share funnels. So hopefully that helped. Just realize that you've got a warm market and a cold market. You're going to get much faster results if you go to your warm market. And just the way you position the offer is really going to make a big difference. You have to do it in a way where it doesn't feel salesy or pushy, and it can relate and connect to people who may be also interested in Builderall. But I will go ahead and link down my original Builderall video, my very first Builderall video where I was inviting people to join me. I will go ahead and I will put that right below this video. So if you have any questions, please go ahead and leave your comments in the comment section, and I will be more than happy to answer any questions that I can help you with. And if you like this video, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you hit the notification bell so that you're alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So I hope that helped. And yeah, I really love this company. In 9 months, I've been able to not only achieve my goals, but surpass my goals. I've been able to, honestly, this company has done things for me that I never, ever experienced ever, and I'm just so grateful. So if you're really serious about Builderall, I promise you that if you just stay focused and you really do everything that you can to become a real professional marketer, and by professional I mean just someone who shows up, someone who's willing to learn, someone who's coachable, teachable, and takes action. If you're willing to do that, you can really build an amazing business inside of this company. I love them. So anyway, this has been Barbie Figueroa. I hope that helped, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.